Hi there. In this video, we will go over the process of how to upload images using the Page Builder in Flawless POS. Knowing this will ensure that the images are shown on your website correctly and in the best quality possible. In this demo, we're starting out in the Page Builder with an empty page. First, we will add a column to our page. The column allows you to add a bunch of elements to your page. In this example, we will be using the added column to upload a desired image. After adding the column, we are going to select it by left-clicking the area inside it. Note that the column is the space that is inside a bigger rectangle. Not a rectangle is called row, and we're not touching it during this tutorial. Once the column is selected, the column properties are available on the right. What we're interested in is the first entry, called background. In order to expand its options, simply click on it. Click the Background Type button to reveal the drop-down menu. Choose the image source. After choosing the source, a bunch of new options will be revealed. We're interested in the second one, called image. This will allow us to choose the image for our column. After pressing it, the Pick Image dialog will open. It allows you to select a background from the library of pictures you uploaded to Flawless before. You can also upload a new picture to the library by pressing this button on the right of the search bar. In this tutorial, we will use the image from the library. First, we select the image with a left click and then press OK to add it as a background. Once the dialog closes, the background of the column will be updated. We will stretch it by dragging the arrow in the middle downwards. That way, the background is seen in a better way. A very important step after every background update is to make sure that the SEO title and description fields are populated. To do that, we will once again select the column and look for the SEO property on the right. After expanding the category, we will see two fields which need to be populated for discoverability purposes. In this guide, we will populate them with two words, but in your case, these needs to be set up correctly at all times. As a side note, the same has to be done for another element called buttons. We will add one now and show you that the SEO property is located at the same spot. Just make sure that the button is selected prior to editing the properties of the correct element. You can also add images by dragging the image element from the left. To upload an image to the image element, you will need to follow the same set of steps outlined previously. We recommend uploading pictures as the background of the columns. This way, the sizing is consistent, and other settings can be adjusted in a more flexible way. That's it for the image uploading process. Thanks for watching.